How to get more referral cases. And in this video, I'm talking about getting referrals from other law firms using the U.S. Postal Service or snail mail, and also through email automation. Before we get started, how much effort is this going to take you? Well, out of 5 stars, I gave this one 4 stars because it's a bit of work up front. How much is it going to cost? I only gave it a 1 money icon instead of 5, so it's not going to be too expensive. So let's get started right now. In this module, follow the progress bar below to progress. First, we're going to have an overview. Then we're going to talk about snail mail and email automation. And we're going to have a little project for getting you cases. Referrals Overview. Most law firms I've worked with start their practices mainly by getting referrals. They don't all understand marketing, and referrals is a great way to start. Today, I'm talking about getting referrals from other attorneys. Like all marketing, putting resources into referrals can mean it possibly won't work. In this module, I'm outlining what we know has worked very well indeed. Today, we're looking at snail mail and email automation to get your firm some cases through referrals. Are referrals free cases? If you're a lawyer, you probably already know that law firms who refer you cases will want a referral fee. That fee is outlined by your state's bar association. Referrals from other firms with snail mail. Snail mail, or sending a letter through the U.S. Postal Service, is slow, but it gets noticed. This can often work better than sending emails. Response rate. The response rate on snail mail over email, in my experience, is about twice. This means more cases for you. However, creating your snail mail is time-consuming, and you're going to want to do it regularly. In the project at the end of this presentation, we'll look at what content you need to create for your snail mailer. Referrals using email automation. Many bigger law firms utilize Salesforce or other customer relationship management software. But if you're small enough, you can really use Mailchimp as your email automation platform, which is free as long as your numbers are small. So go right now and Google Mailchimp if you don't already know about them. So now's the project. Be careful with your brand. Make sure that your brand is well represented with the colors and fonts that you always use on all of your media. If you're doing a card like at Vistaprint, they have free templates online. Be sure that the card really matches your brand because your brand's important. You don't want all kinds of different messy stuff going out and representing you. Make sure that you have a page on your website that explains how they're going to be compensated. If you have questions about what a brand is or how a brand can work when you're a law firm, I have another video just like this one that talks all about creating what's called a brand Bible. And in that brand Bible, you have all of the elements of your brand. And that way, anyone working for you, whether you're sending something to Vistaprint, doing a website or a video, or every element is actually explained in your brand Bible so that nobody can mess up your brand. So now let's talk about your email automation with Mailchimp. Begin with an email list of attorneys with practice areas other than yours. And you can find that list by downloading all your different attorney connections from LinkedIn if you have those. Or if you're starting at the very beginning, you might just go in and start reaching out to different law firms that have different practice areas and asking for their emails so that you can compile a good list. Open up your free Mailchimp account, upload your list, and create a welcome email. That's what it's called in Mailchimp, at least right now, is a welcome email. And what that does is it'll send the first email to them, but you can add as many automations as you want, and it triggers. So when you first put somebody's email in, they get the welcome email, but then every month or biweekly, which is what I really think should go biweekly, you just remind them about what you're up to and that you're a great person or firm to send a referral to. So let's talk about what the real actual content is for your snail mail and your email automation. The actual order of your ideas should go something like this. Remind them how you met. Have empathy for practicing law or even being interrupted with your email. Remember, This is your agenda. So you want them on your page and you on their page, and using a little empathy about what they're going through or anything about their day really helps remind us that we're humans. What cases are you looking for is the next thing you want to talk about, and then a tip about why you might be the best choice to refer. Link to the page about your compensation for their referral, and then don't forget to say thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it's going to help you build your law practice. We have a lot of information on our website at gomediamarketing.com, but if there's something that you want to learn about growing your practice, you don't see it here, let us know, because we'd always love to help you. You may also wonder, why am I giving you all of our best advice? Well, we've always had the idea that sharing our true, authentic ideas with you will either help you to do it yourself, or it'll turn you into one of our most favorite clients. So do not hesitate to reach out and have us do any or all of your video production, advertising, and marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.